Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hi, Colorado. This is Clete Crocker. I'm here again at Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom. So I've got some more information for you today. I've ran through the company's best sellers. They're giving me some information on what's really selling right now, and I thought you'd like to know it. Here in January, it's all about clearance. It's everything to do with what the best deals are, and the place is just tons and tons of customers coming in buying these things. So this is really important for you to know. The number one bestseller right here, this is the KitchenAid KMRF 706 ESS. But because we got our special deal with these boxed units and factory sealed box units, that they're minor case imperfections. Like I said, these things are minor, like real minor, like on the side, on the back. You'd barely even know that there was anything wrong if you could find it at all. Well, guess what? Good news. This is the best seller. The market on this is $32.99. What's our price here? $19.98. This is why that's the number one bestseller. People are going after this nicer piece. It's a family size, and it's $19.98. The second bestseller right now for the whole company is the same refrigerator in this color. It's also the KRMF 706 EBS. It's the second bestseller. It's the same savings as the last one. It's just which color do you want? This is an upgraded color, and it's the number 2 bestseller. Okay, this is number 3. This is the third bestseller in the company, and this is Bosch. This is a nice Bosch. We introduced this to you a little earlier this year. This is the new Bosch that doesn't have a handle on it. It can match in any kitchen. There's no brand on the front to tell you. Why is it selling? Because it's brand new, and this is the first one that Bosch makes themselves. Let's take a look at the inside. Isn't that beautiful? This lights up really bright when it's plugged in, but it's got 2 drawers below it. That's a refrigerator door. That's a freezer drawer. Huge ice maker inside there. The families love this one as well. This one is counter depth. So what's that mean? Counter depth means that the door sticks just past the counter. So it doesn't take up as much room in the kitchen. This goes in a lot of finer kitchens. Let's go to number 4. All right, we're back. We're back here at the refrigerator. I said, look at this color. Well, number 4 selling refrigerator, it's actually this one. This time you got to imagine this in stainless steel. It's a stainless steel version of this 3-door French door. It's also beautiful in the inside. It's what we call a platinum interior. It's really selling well. It's counter depth, just like I just mentioned on the last one, so it sticks out just past the counter. It's beautiful lighting on the inside. It's got the wood trim on the inside. It's really, really nice. Here's the freezer. Very nice freezer. It's a beautiful piece. Okay, here we are, number 5, the last one. I think I might do one honorable mention after this, but this is the number 5 bestseller. Also KitchenAid. You know, no question on that. KitchenAid's very, very high quality. Another minor case imperfection piece. We got several of these in stock right now. You should come get this one. It's a little smaller. It's more for a smaller size family. Also a counter depth on the inside. And here's the freezer. So this is your number 5 bestseller. Why are these selling so much? Well, one, KitchenAid has huge quality. It's just like Bosch. Very, very, very good, high quality, but we got them at these ridiculous prices. Okay, I just mentioned that we're going to do one honorable mention. I really think this one's a very nice one. It's a really good value piece. Also amazing savings in the market. I want you to imagine, we don't have it on the floor, so imagine this without this ice dispenser. It's a clean front, which is a desired feature for folks who don't want to have to deal with water spills on the front of the refrigerator. This one is the WRF 535 SWHZ. Again, it's not this model. It's very similar to this model without the dispenser. It is the absolute best unit seller in the store. And I think people really like it because of its price. It's a little smaller than the rest, so you don't have that massive refrigerator sitting in your kitchen. And it's definitely worth an honorable mention. Thank you.